Hello and welcome. Welcome back to the TV room. I still have 8 Commodore 64's, which consists of 5 64Cs, 3 bread bins, and a brown 1541 with a rainbow in the front, as well as a VIC-1541 white single disk drive. Older one, but not the original. The 1540 was the one for the VIC. Anyway, so I have all of these things going through the VicSwitch. The 8 computers, of course, are connected directly to the VicSwitch. The second disk drive is connected to the first disk drive. I switched the device temporarily on one of the disk drives, and I wrote a little program that has the computers initializing, just quickly saying hello to each of the disk drives. And they're all running at the same time, and as you can see, it's running through, and each machine is getting its moment to shine or to access the drive. Anyway, I do want to do more testing of such things, but what I really like to do ultimately is connect 2 more disk drives and at least 1 printer and make sure that everything is dandy. And I have no doubt that it will be, but it's sort of like anything. Until I've done it, I haven't done it. So I'm sure you can hear the drives spinning, and so far you've not heard any head banging, so there's no errors, and that's good. So I will ponder, because you see, I got stuff that I really have to test, and I need a spot to do it, and this would be good. But I suppose what I can do is take all of this stuff that's on here and carefully set it aside so I can bring it back up here and do more testing of the VicSwitch after. I suppose I can. I should. Because you see, I said in a previous video at some point that there's no longer 39 pets. No. That would be foolish. There are 40. And in a way there's 41, but that's not going to last. That's a whole other story. Anyway, so right now, we'll leave this testing, and I will ponder my next move. Until then, have a lovely, lovely day. And if you are thinking of getting a VicSwitch because you want to do things with a bunch of machines, well, I can't guarantee that any one you find out there is working, but this one certainly seems to be working, and it handles everything just dandy. The only thing I found is that if you have a whole bunch of things connected to the VicSwitch and they're not turned on, that maybe things will lock up. Maybe. But I haven't really kind of figured, like, if one is turned off, does it screw everything up? I don't know. I suppose what I could do right now, as we're sitting here, is I could reach over. There's a 64 handy. I could turn off the switch and see, does everything lock up? Oh, it does seem to be stopped on 7. So I'm going to turn this one back on. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh, well that is interesting. So perhaps, I'm just coming over here to type in 1.50. Perhaps it is indeed something you must be watching out for, that if you are connected to the VicSwitch, everything you want to use needs to be turned on. Okay, so I believe the program is now loaded. You heard the little difference in the disk drive. And then I'll type in run. And I suspect that 5, 6, 7, 8 will just roll on through. But when I turn number 7 off, and I didn't know it was number 7, it did seem that everything stopped. Well, the discharge didn't stop spinning. It didn't keep on going to other things. That is interesting. You know what? Maybe I'm going to try that again. I'm going to wait until it gets past number 7. And I'm going to turn it off again. Okay, we're on number 1. I'm going to turn off 7. Okay, 7 is off. Okay, we're rolling, rolling, rolling. 7. And we have stopped. The drive is still spinning, but it's not doing any of the stuff it should be. I'm going to turn number 7 back on, and then it allows other things to resume. Huh, interesting. So I guess in your classroom setting, and this would be typical, if you want this to work, make sure that everything is turned on, because it does seem to not like it. So I'm not going to start up number 7 again right now. I mean, it's on, but that's enough of that. Anyway, I'll leave this to test further, and I will ponder my next move. So thanks for coming to the TV room. Have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley, sitting here with a VicSwitch, 8 Commodore 64's, and 2 disk drives, all in perfect harmony. Bye for now.